Today I'm going to show you how to add a blog or website to an existing Bluehost account. As you know, one of the great things about Bluehost is that you can add as many domains as you want to a Bluehost account without having to pay this hosting fee more than one time. So this $4.95 or $6.95 a month that you're currently paying is not going to change no matter how many websites you add to it. So if you did not initially save your control panel hyperlink when you signed up, you can go to bluehost.com and click on the control panel login. And when we log in here, this is going to bring us to Bluehost cPanel, as they call it, or control panel. Once we're inside here, we're going to click on domains. Will bring us to a page, My Domains. You'll see a list of all the domains that you currently have with Bluehost. And up here, we can register for a new domain under shortcuts. First step with registering a domain, seeing if it is available. Several different domain options. I'm going to go with .com. And the domain I am searching for is available. They're going to try to get me to sign up for several other domains as well, .net, .org, .info.biz. It's up to you on whether or not you want to do this. Most of these are an additional $11.99 a year. .net's $9.99 a year. So I'm going to continue without doing that. Click Next. Have some renew options. You can choose to automatically renew before it expires, or do not automatically renew, in which case they're going to email you and let you know that it's about to expire. I'm not sure if this is going to be used in a year or not, so I'll have them email me and I'll decide then if I want to renew. Domain privacy I'm not going to do. Terms of service I will agree to, and I will add to the cart. Shopping cart, items to be purchased. We have my domain here with the time frame of 1 year and the cost of $11.99. You'll have your existing information here, or you can add a new card. And process order. And there we have it. We have just added a domain to an existing Bluehost account. So now that our purchase is complete, we have to do one more thing to finalize things for our website to have it be a separate standalone site. So we're going to go back here to domains. And you'll see on this My Domains page again, now we have two different domains listed here. Top one should be your primary, and then next to your new one, it's going to say, under type, it's going to say unassigned. We're going to click that. And all we're going to do here is we're going to select our domain, which should already be selected. We're going to choose add-on versus part. Now we're going to want to do add-on, and add-on just means it's going to be in a different subdirectory on your account. So it makes it so that it looks like a completely different website. Create a new directory is the option we're going to want to do in step 4 here. Keep that as is, and subdomain is going to be this new address dot your primary address. That's just how they require it for the Bluehost cPanel. When I go to this new website, www.melissavenhausen.com, it's still going to show there as I registered for it. So I'm going to assign this domain. And now when we're back here on our domain page, we see that it is now as an add-on. Now that our site is officially an add-on, all we have left to do is install WordPress onto the site itself. So I'm still in Bluehost cPanel. if you want to get there, you can always click on the cPanel button. I'm going to scroll down to Simple Script Installations, and I'm going to go ahead and click Simple Scripts. Now this is going to walk us through, this is an add-on site, remember, so your primary site already has WordPress, but we're treating this add-on site as its own separate entity. So what we're going to be doing here is installing WordPress onto that new site. So for me, that was melissavenhausen.com. Here on this page now, we're going to go down under blogs to WordPress. We're going to click on WordPress. And this is where we're actually going to install WordPress. So I'm going to click Install down here. And now you'll see I have options to select different things here. And I'm going to select Melissa Venhausen. My website is a default here. I'm going to go ahead and switch that to Melissa's, which is my new site. And go ahead and name it. And then I'm going to, under here, this is Advanced Options, I'm going to click here to Display. You'll notice it's going to have some other admin username, which I'm going to change for this new site. We won't mess with anything else. We're going to uncheck all of these. We can always add this stuff back later if we want to. We agree to the terms and service. Now we get this every time that we do this. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Go ahead and hit directory exists. I understand that I'm overwriting these files. That is okay. Let's check and make sure our advanced options are okay. They look good. We're going to have to uncheck these boxes again and hit complete. And now you see it is starting to install WordPress 3.5.1 on the new site. And there we go. Installation complete. And we can now access our site. Now this page is critical. You can see that we have our site URL, which is going to be the site itself. So if we click on that, it's going to bring us straight to us. And there we go. There is Melissa's blog, what we just created. This is our login URL. You're going to want to save this because this is where you're going to log into WordPress's backend, where you're going to do all your editing and make your posts. Well, that is it. That is how you install another blog onto an existing Bluehost account.